In an attempt to obtain an overall cost to the people of Guam, for 5 separate cases, the Attorney General of Guam has prosecuted former Governor Carl Gutierrez. We learn that a bigger problem exists. In a July 9th letter, Deputy Attorney General Patrick Mason told Newswatch that the AG's office does not have any document showing itemized lists of the costs and expenses associated with the prosecution of the cases we requested. Also, the AG does not keep track of the amount of time a given prosecutor spends working on any particular case. The judiciary, on the other hand, is able to track their expenses. Their spokesperson, Maria Senzon, was able to break down the cost to operate a given courtroom.
Given the figures, considerations are the utilities, of course, then the personnel, the judge for one, the law clerk, the bailiff, court reporters, the marshals. So a ballpark figure would be about $425 per hour.
Attorney General Weisenberger said in a statement issued on July 2nd that the Office of the Attorney General does not pursue cases based on politics or costs, but rather legal analysis and evidence. Tax dollars to repeatedly prosecute cases that have been dismissed based on a lack of evidence or a procedural deficiency by the AG's office cost the taxpayers. And while cases should be prosecuted on legal analysis and evidence, some believe that money is wasted when these cases have no basis or have been thrown out already.
We're just spending literally hundreds of thousands. Just the jury selection for this trial was $40,000. I don't know how much was spent for the jury. The first 3-week trial that they had, and the second month-long trial. It's ludicrous.
To prosecute a criminal trial from jury selection to closing arguments, for example, that is probably about a week. So I think that comes out to be about $17,000 a week to operate a courtroom for one long criminal trial or for a week-long criminal trial.
The AG's office has a fiduciary duty to manage public funds responsibly. So we asked AG candidate Lenny Rapadas what he would do differently to increase accountability and what makes the AG's office so special that it doesn't have to keep track of their expenditures like every other GovGuam agency.
That's something that I want to bring to the AG's office, more accountability, and then people have to understand that the legislature, they do want to know, the people do want to know where is our money going.